This is the top item on my 7-year-old daughter's wish list. And I'm thrilled that she wanted something non-digital, a project, and something that she can create gifts with or decorate her own room with 5 sun catchers, 5 keychains, and 6 hologram stickers. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Okay, so pulling it open, you start with the stickers. You'll notice on the stickers, they have these little circles on them. And once you pull off this top, those circles are sticky, and that is where you can place the little diamonds. This is not a messy project. It just has lots of little diamonds that you can stick to the stickers and the different pieces. So let's pull out the rest of it. Oh, we have so many. So all of these have a plastic piece on them that's sticky. So you undo this plastic and then you cover them with diamonds. So we have a rose and a rainbow, a cupcake, the diamond, little sunglasses, a larger rainbow, huge butterfly, sunflower, a rocket ship, and then of course we have all of the diamonds. So this is the piece that doesn't require glue or anything sticky, as these are already sticky, but the diamonds can go everywhere. So when you use these, think about using maybe even a cooking pan or something to hold them in place. But wow, there's a lot of diamonds here. We have these beautiful orangey yellow diamonds, more of an emerald green. We got some pink diamonds, blue diamonds, green diamonds, and then I see another pink, different pink than the first one. Let's see. We had a brighter pink, and this one's a little bit more of a violet pink, purple, and red. I'd say they know their audience. And finally, we have the 2 styluses. So 2 kids could be working on this at the same time, or you could be doing it with your child. I think that's great. These help you place the pieces on precisely. And this is a little diamond catcher to help contain things. That is great. And finally, you get the pieces to turn any of these into keychains or sun catchers. And that's what you get in the gem art set for kids. I know my daughter's gonna love this. I'm even more excited to see her open this up now.